Good morning, class 7. Welcome back to your chemistry classroom once again. Today I will discuss some extra examples of physical changes and chemical changes. Melting of wax. It is temporary change, also reversible change, because wax को normally हम लोग अगर heat देंगे, I mean when we lighted the wax, it start to melt and turn into molten wax. And after the cooling, molten wax solidified and turn into wax again. So it is a temporary change and also reversible change. That's why it belongs to physical change. Next, burning of candle. When we burn the candle, basically two new substances are formed. First one is the carbon dioxide as well as water vapor. So it is a permanent change because new substances are formed, and also it is a irreversible change. That's why it belongs to chemical change. Next, on melting, wax absorb heat energy, and on cooling, the molten wax evolves heat energy and forms the original substance, that is wax. So normally heat देने की वजह से heat energy को absorb कर लेता है और start to melt and turn into molten wax. Then after cooling, molten wax अपना heat energy को evolves करने के बाद, मतलब heat को release करने के बाद turn into original substance, that is wax. Next, on burning, the wax candle decomposes, and on combination, the products form remain unchanged and cannot combine back to get wax. I mean, burning candle को अगर हम लोग जलाएंगे तो no new substances are formed, that is carbon dioxide and water vapor, and we can't combine back to give wax. तो कैंडल को जलाने के बाद हम दोबारा ये कैंडल फॉर्म में वापस लेके नहीं आ सकते हैं. इस दौरान इट इज बिलोंग्स टू केमिकल चेंज. नो न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म. ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस, दैट इज wax. Final product is wax. But in case of original substance, that is burning candle, and final products are carbon dioxide and water vapor. Next, addition of salt to water. नॉर्मली पानी में हम लोग सोडियम क्लोराइड ऐड कर रहे हैं, दैट टर्न इनटू सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन. अगर सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन को हम लोग हीट देंगे, हीट देने के बाद वाटर टर्न इनटू वाटर वेपर एंड वी कैन गेट बैक द सॉल्ट वंस अगेन. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ टेम्पररी एंड रिवर्सिबल चेंज. On dissolving, the salt dissolve in water, forming a salt solution. On evaporation, if the salt solution, the original substance, salt remained behind. Next, making of curd from milk. On keeping aside the milk in a dish for a few hours or more, the change observed will be that the milk has changed into curd. The change cannot be reversed. So basically, with the help of some bacteria, milk turn into lactic acid and it forms curd, and we can't get back the previous condition into milk. That's why it is a permanent change and it belongs to curd of milk. It belongs to chemical change. So in case of addition of salt to water, the original substance salt and final product to salt. But in case of making of curd from milk, original substance is milk and final product is curd. Next, physical change. Change of state of matter. The change of state of matter. Interconversion of matter involves matter changing from one state to another and back to its original state by change in temperature or pressure. So applying some condition when we able to change the state of matter, that conversion is also known as interconversion of matter. Here is temperature or pressure is applied, but it is a physical change. in which one state of matter changes into another state and back again to its original state. Water exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gaseous state. Interconversion of each state is a physical change brought about by change in temperature. Melting of ice and freezing of water. तो सेम वे आइस को अगर हम लोग हीट देंगे, नॉर्मली हीट देने के मतलब और टेम्परेचर गेन करने की वजह से आइस टर्न इनटू वाटर. सो इफ टेम्परेचर विल रिलीज, मतलब हीट को ना देने से, मतलब कूल करने की वजह से अगर वाटर को हम लोग फ्रीज करेंगे, दैट टर्न इनटू आइस once again. So it is basically change of state only. That's why it is a physical change. So both changes are physical change. Since the change is temporary, it is a reversible change. Heating and cooling reverse the change. Heating of ice turn into water and cooling of ice that turn it back into ice. No new products are formed since both ice and water are chemically, मतलब remain same, मतलब properties are remain same. Next, vaporization of water and condensation of vapor. Both changes are physical change since the change is temporary and it is a reversible change. Heating and cooling reverse the change. Basically, two conditions are applied. First of all, one is heat absorb कर रहा है, दोबारा heat release कर रहा है. Heating of water turn it into water vapor. The cooling effect of vapor that turn into water once again. Here is no new product or form since both water and water vapor are chemically remain same. मतलब properties same है. Properties of the original substance are not altered. That's why it is a physical change. So student, I hope all of you understood what I discussed. So for today, up to this portion.